what is the real decision driver here? When you are sitting with a team trying to figure this out, what factors actually tip the scale one way or the other?
I think that there's a couple of things that people should look at when they make these decisions. And it's not just whether you're hosting the model yourself, but even how you invest in an AI partner in running a frontier model. The goal here to think about is not who has the best model. One, because that's a race and people keep catching up. But a lot of it is actually about how you build organizational model knowledge and information that you feed back into the model. So what we are seeing is that building MCPs, building different types of skills, different types of sort of prompts and context, all of those pieces are absolutely critical for understanding how you want to interact with these systems. So, what you really need to realize is this isn't as simple as who is my trusted partner. That is absolutely essential. You're sharing information and data with these model providers, right? If you can't share any data at all, you don't want to take a risk of trusting, an Anthropic or OpenAI or Google with sensitive information, then you're going to be self-hosting. But if you make that leap and have a trusted partner, one of the things to consider here is that you really want to have a plan where your team is learning and building tools together, where you are teaching the AI to improve. You're teaching what your processes are, what your controls are, how you want things to proceed. You need to give it very deep access. And I don't think that conversation is being had enough. AI empowers individual engineers and everybody in your organization to do more. But if you take the time to have those people share and build skills collaboratively and add information and guardrails and context collaboratively, it's a dramatically accelerative effect. I've seen that firsthand, and it really is a differentiator in how you use AI. And you can't do that if you are taking a little bit of this, a little bit of that strategy. You really need to go all in.